Hi friends! So I thought I would show you a template that I use at Queryon to sort of better allocate my time across the week and also increase productivity. So we'll get right into it. So the first thing that I really wanted this template to be capable of is simply helping me get things done. I wanted to keep the template very simple because I think sometimes with Notion you can go out of your way to create some of the most sort of creative, visually stunning templates, but I really didn't need that for this case. So we'll go ahead and get right into the task. So what I do is I typically plan out my task in the top priorities section, and then I will sort of drag them into the buckets of the day that I think I'm going to accomplish that task. One thing I really like about this template is, let's say, it's the end of day on Monday and you've gotten everything done, but there's one task left over. So what I would then do is simply pull this task into the following day. So I really like this because it's kind of an interactive template, kind of like a living document template where you can constantly add, subtract, edit your task. You also can set deadlines for when things are due. You can also set reminders where you'll get an alert. And then also, let's say it's the end of the week, you have a couple tasks left on Friday, you haven't been able to get them done. What I typically do is just drag this into the let's try again next week, and I'll generate a new template each week at the beginning of the week and just pull any leftover task into it. And that's it.